friends, in today's video I will be unboxing and setting up my new vanity fridge. So I got the fridge for Christmas from my parents, and prior to this I had like a little basket that I left in my normal refrigerator downstairs in the kitchen. So it's nice to have this in a convenient space. It's in my bathroom, so I don't have to go all the way downstairs to use a facial product. And it just makes my morning routine run a little bit more smoothly. So in doing a little bit of research, it looks like there are a few benefits of having a skincare fridge. It's beneficial to store products in a cooler environment instead of a hot, humid bathroom or in the sunlight because they will oxidize. A lot of the products that we use are sensitive to light and heat, and the products are also in a state of disintegration from the moment that we open them. So storing the products in a fridge will help maintain their chemical structure and integrity, which will help minimize separation and scent changes. I don't know about y'all, but I don't always follow the recommendations for the expiration date on my hair and skin products, so I can appreciate that the fridge will help with extending the shelf life of my products. Also, cold products are calming to the skin. I know I've been in a situation where I've cried or otherwise had puffy under eyes, and I reached for ice or like a bag of frozen vegetables or even a cool cucumber. So skincare left in the fridge will help calm the skin. It can depuff tired eyes and also reduce redness. I'm all for feeling refreshed and rejuvenated in the morning. I like to wipe down everything before I use it, so it's the same thing with this mirror because I am going to be touching this and then touching my face. So I want to make sure that it is properly sanitized. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add my products to the fridge. So I have some new skincare items that I wanted to point out to you guys. I want to do an updated skincare routine video, but for now we have this. So I am using the Fenty Beauty under eye cream. I have a lot of sheet masks and under eye gel thingies, so I put those on the side and in the drawer at the bottom. I also recently got some of the things from the Glow Recipe, and I absolutely love them, and cooling them make them 100 times better, so I would definitely recommend. And then I love Clinique, so I have a few of their moisturizers that I'm using. One of them is almost gone. Also, my eye creams and primers will go in the bottom because they are bigger and it's just easier for access. Then I also have some jade rollers. There's one, it's actually an electric jade roller massager, and it feels so good. There's two different attachments. There's one that is your typical facial roller massager, and since it is electric, there's like a little vibration. It helps to stimulate circulation and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And then the other attachment is the under eye press. It helps to reduce puffy eyes and dark circles. So I absolutely love those things, and they just feel 10 times better after pulling them out of my refrigerator. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, clicking the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until the next one, bye.